in Pleasant Grove, Utah, and what they found. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wrong Crime events that took place in Pleasant Grove, Utah, USA. It involves a woman named 14. Police discovered 7 dead infants carefully hidden inside her home's garage. The case, known as the House of Horrors, cleaning the garage, he found her encountered and secret could exist in their neighborhood. She had successfully hidden all her pregnancies from her husband from 1996. She's out for fear. However, police found her story disturbing and inconsistent. After through avoided, so she gave birth. This raised many questions. Combined with the court, how can society prevent such tragedies in the future? We never suspect. For one, check on law. Imagine returning home and discovering something so horrifying in your neighbor's garage that it shakes your entire town. Police faced this nightmare in Pleasant Grove, Utah, and what they found inside one house would shock the world. This is the story of an evil mother's house of horrors. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wrong Crime Stories, where we uncover the most shocking true crime stories around the world. Stories that are mysterious, disturbing, and sometimes unbelievable. Today's story is based on true events that took place in Pleasant Grove, Utah, USA. It involves a woman named Megan Huntsman whose shocking secret remained hidden for more than a decade. In 2014, police discovered 7 dead infants carefully hidden inside her home's garage. The case left the entire community and the world in disbelief. It is known as the House of Horrors, and the details of what happened are truly terrifying. On April 12, 2014, Darren West, Megan's husband, returned home after serving a prison sentence. While cleaning the garage, he found a box that contained something he could never have imagined: a teeny dead body wrapped in plastic. Shocked and confused, Darren immediately called the police. When the officers arrived, they were not prepared for the horror that awaited them. As the police searched the garage, they discovered more boxes. Inside each one were additional dead infants, carefully wrapped and hidden. In total, the police found 7 dead bodies, all born alive at some point but never reported. The officers were stunned. They had never encountered anything like this before. The community too was horrified to learn that such a secret could exist in their neighborhood. The mother behind these tragic deaths was Megan Huntsman. She had successfully hidden all her pregnancies from her husband, her children, and the entire neighborhood. Her secret spanned more than 10 years, from 1996 to 2006. Even her elder children had no idea their mother was pregnant multiple times. When police began questioning Megan, she admitted that she had given birth to the infants in her own home. At first, Megan told conflicting stories, trying to explain why the babies were dead, but eventually she confessed to the truth. Megan claimed that she was struggling with drug addiction and mental health problems. She felt overwhelmed and could not take care of the babies. She hid the pregnancies out for fear. She hid the pregnancies out of fear, thinking she could protect herself and her family from the shames or difficulty of raising them. However, police found her story disturbing and inconsistent. After thorough investigation, Megan admitted that she had killed 6 of the babies shortly after birth, and 1 had been stillborn. The cases of death including smothering and strangling, meaning they were intentionally killed. This revelation shocked everyone. How could someone keep such a secret for so long, hiding multiple pregnancies and the deaths of children right under the noses of everyone around her? One of the most disturbing parts of this case was how Meghan managed to hide her pregnancies. She wore loose clothing, avoided social interactions during her pregnancies, and kept everything private. Neighbors never noticed her changing body or unusual behavior. Even her own family, including her older children, were unaware of her pregnancies until she gave birth. This raised many questions. How could a person hide such a life-changing event multiple times? Experts say that Daniel, fear and isolation often play roles in such extreme cases. Meghan's story became an example of how addiction, mental health issues, and secrecy can lead to tragedy. Once police had enough evidence, Meghan Huntsman was arrested. She was charged with 6 counts of murder and faced life imprisonment. Her confession, combined with the physical evidence found in the garage, made the case clear. She could no longer deny her crimes, and the shocking details became public knowledge. The community struggled to comprehend what happened in their midst. Families, neighbors, and even close friends were stunned that such a secret could be kept hidden for so long. In 2015, Meghan Huntsman pleaded guilty to the charges against her. The court sentenced her to life in prison without the possibility of parole for several decades. This ensured that she would never harm another child again. The judge noted that this case was one of the most tragic and disturbing he had seen in his career. It became a warning to the public about the hidden struggles some people face and the potential consequences of ignoring mental health and addictions issues. The case shocked not only Utah but the entire world. People asked questions. First one, how could someone hide so many pregnancies? Second, how could family and neighbors not notice? How can society prevent such tragedies in the future? Experts say that mental health support, community awareness, and addiction help are crucial in preventing hidden tragedies. This case serves as a reminder that sometimes the most dangerous secrets are the ones we never suspect. The story also reminds us to look out for one another, to check on loved ones, and to support those struggling with problems before it is too late. Thank you for listening to this tragic story. The tale of Meghan Huntsman is one of the most disturbing true crime cases in recent history. It reminds us that darkness can exist even in seemingly ordinary neighborhoods and that mental health, addiction, and hidden struggles should never be ignored. If you found this story informative and impactful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and subscribe to Wrong Crime Stories channel. Remember, this is based on real events and the lessons we learn from it can help prevent similar tragedies in the future. Thank you for watching Wrong Crime Stories. Goodbye.